With the move to open book exams, you may have concerns about how to prepare for them. To support you, Skills at Library has created this website, which provides you with helpful advice and guidance on strategies that will give you the best chance of success. You might be given a fairly long period of time between the exam questions being made available and the deadline for submission. This gives you time to sit down and write your answers, and to allow for any delays due to technical problems. Your school will let you know the recommended amount of time to spend on the exam itself. They don't expect you to write for the whole 24 or 48 hours. Make sure you're prepared and revise as you would for a normal exam. Our website has some examples of different ways you could organise your notes so you can easily refer to them in your exam. As well as your revision notes, you might also want to be ready with some important case studies, key articles or textbooks. Our website explains how you can access these online through the library, including a lot of resources that have been made available electronically during the COVID-19 pandemic. So what do you do when it's time to take the exam? The type of questions you'll be answering will depend on your discipline, but for most students it's likely that you'll be expected to do more than just recall facts. Much like an essay, your examiners will be expecting you to apply your knowledge and to write critically about your subject. Our website is full of advice on critical writing, as well as how to interpret a question and plan your answers. We also have some advice on preparing yourself and your environment so that you're comfortable and ready to do your exams online. Take advantage of the useful advice in our web pages, and good luck in your exams.